Come test drive the 2015 XV Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive XV Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the XV Crosstrek is built to last and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.